Xiaomi's Redmi series of smartphones are among the most popular mid-range smartphones, especially the Note series. They offer a good mix of price to performance ratio. However, the previous generation, the Note 11 Pro Plus, seemed like more of an iterative update. This time around, Redmi has launched the 12 series consisting of 3 smartphones, that is the Redmi Note 12, 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Plus. We have the top of the line Redmi 12 Pro Plus, which sports a 200 megapixel primary sensor, 120 watt fast charging and a big AMOLED display. So is it a complete package then? Let's find out. Kicking things off with the design, from the outset the device is nothing extraordinary with a plastic back panel that has a frosted finish. Our unit had the iceberg blue color option, which looks good, but it's not good for people who are used to having a clean phone, as a phone can easily become a fingerprint magnet. The phone also gives a good in-hand feel and feels comfortable to hold owing to its flat edges. The only gripe is that the device is on the heavier side at 208.4 grams. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack that supports high-res audio and an IR blaster. Now onto the display. The 6.67-inch 10-bit AMOLED display is punchy and vibrant to look at. Redmi has also gone ahead and equipped the display with Dolby Vision as well as HDR10. The viewing experience is also enhanced with minimal bezels and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. And at around 900 nits, the display gets bright for usage in sunny outdoor conditions. Performance duties are done by MediaTek's Dimensity 1080 processor, which also comes in the Realme 10 Pro Plus. So handling daily tasks or gaming shouldn't be a problem. RAM management is also good, as our unit came with a 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. For software, you get MIUI 13 based on Android 12, which is disappointing now that most OEMs are rolling out Android 13 out of the box. The device also comes with the support of 10 5G bands. Now to the main highlighting point of the device, which is a 200 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide and an industry favorite 2 megapixel macro. You can judge the picture quality of the Redmi 12 Pro Plus by these samples. Coming to endurance, the phone comes with a 4980 mAh battery pack. The company has also bundled a 120 watt fast charger, which can top up the device in a claimed 19 minutes. So coming to the pricing, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus starts at a price of 29,999 for the 8 GB with 256 GB storage. And if you want the 12 GB with 256 GB storage, you have to shell out 32,999. So that's the video, guys. Do let us know what you think about the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus in the comments down below. And as usual, subscribe to the Gadgets Now YouTube channel if you're still not subscribed, and social media handles. And this is Milind signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.